What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm bringing you something special from a drone perspective. Beyond excited about this company, doing some epic things when it comes to package delivery and really providing some service to military. Absolutely incredible. They are a veteran-owned company, and the company I'm actually going to be talking about is going to be Target Arm. So I'm beyond pumped, beyond excited to provide you content on this company because I do feel that they are going to have a significant piece when it comes to the drone sector. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in and start talking about drones, package delivery, and military relations, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, you know exactly how I feel about drones. You all know exactly the vision, the path at which I feel drones are going to have on such a tremendous impact moving forward, from package delivery to dropping pharmaceuticals to doing all kinds of military related tasks. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Whether it is going to be delivering food, whether it is going to be delivering drinks, it could be coffee. The list is literally endless, and the opportunities are endless. I mean, you start talking about surveying, whether it's from an insurance perspective or you're talking about construction surveying. The list is endless, guys, and I can't focus and hit on that enough, and that's why it is exciting to continuously find companies who are breaking barriers, doing all kinds of amazing things with drones, and they are testing the limits because they want this to be successful. And so I have to provide content on companies like this because it is exciting to see this happening. It truly is. So the company we are going to be talking about is going to be Target Arm. I'm going to give you some information on them right now. So Target Arm Inc., a Techstars company, is a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business. The acronym for that is going to be SDVOSB. Hopefully you jotted that down. It is incorporated in Delaware. The company was founded by Jeff McChesney and is forged from decades of experience in the art of warfare, consulting, financial services, venture capital, and high technology development. Fires me up, ladies and gentlemen, fires me up. Obviously, you guys know I serve this country, so I gotta definitely cover companies like this, especially for that reason. Commercial to disrupt package delivery from trucks to consumers while on the move. I think that's significant, ladies and gentlemen. The reason I say that is because we've seen everything from the drone moving and doing the delivery from a stationary position. This is going to be something that is going to disrupt the market tremendously. And the reason is because now what you're seeing is the vehicle in motion at high rates of speed, which we'll see, and the drone being able to be released and deliver the object and then come back in motion and still be, successfully landed and then taken down back into the truck. It is absolutely incredible. Military to enable high volley rates for kinetic and intelligence, surveillance, targeting, and reconnaissance. iStar uses while on the move with the goal of persistent air dominance at every echelon. I think this is a significant company doing some amazing things, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, I really want to cover this and present this to you guys. So now what we're going to do is really dive in and talk about exactly what Target Arm is about, really what service they are providing, and really kind of some ties with, package delivery and the military aspect. So here we go to unravel the entire picture. So it says Target Arm is an ultra leading edge platform manufacturer in drone industry. It says while not a drone company, which I think is significant, Target Arm builds a device called Tular that enables launch and recovery of both rotary and fixed wing drones. As I'm talking, you're going to see the entire play out of exactly what this entails. It says that it's a recovery of both rotary and fixed wing drones from any moving vehicle, train, plane, truck, or ship, autonomously and even during windy conditions. Tular is dual use, working equally well for commercial applications, package delivery, oil and gas inspections, energy, wind farms, first responders, etc., and for military applications, which again is extremely significant. So now what we're going to do is dive in and really talk about what Tular truly is. It says, as a universal launch and recovery, which is ULAR, platform, Tular is poised to revolutionize unmanned autonomous systems in many different industries. Proven ability to operate at over 60 miles per hour, scalable and flexible, bolt-on embedded design, autonomous operations. So when they're saying it is proven ability to operate at over 60 miles an hour, that's when the vehicle that it lands on is actually moving at 60 miles an hour. The drone is able to then land on that object or that vehicle at that speed, and it is able to then lower down into whatever cargo it needs to be loaded down into, whether that is a vehicle, whether that is an airplane, whether that is a boat. All that is obviously successful. So they wanted to make sure that that gets across. Target Arm announces Air Force contract. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is extremely significant. I'm going to read that again. Target Arm announces Air Force contract adding fixed-wing drone capabilities to Tular. So this is significant. When you get government contracts, when you're talking about Air Force, this is huge. So on March 1st, 2021, PR Log Target Arm Inc. is pleased to announce the United States Air Force, AFWERX, awarded a Phase 1 Small Business Technology Transfer Research titled Arsenal Aircraft of Persistent Air Dominance with UAV/UCAVs. Target Arm is partnered with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, which again is a huge, significant piece. MIT through Innovation Initiatives Mission Innovation, that was a mouthful, program. For this 3-month long contract, Jeff McChesney, who is CEO and founder, I'm so excited to be teamed up with MIT. I mean, I would be too. That's pretty big deal. On this project with their very deep aeronautical engineering and DoD collaboration experience, Department of Defense. So it says not only is our device called Tular ideal for ground and maritime drone operations, but it was originally conceived for onboard our military cargo aircraft. I invented Tular to be on board an arsenal of aircraft. So these are going to be military planes. You're talking about the C-5, the C-17, and the C-130. And now we get to begin the process of bringing that to life. This STTR contract not only validates the hard work and engineering we've done with Tular development to date, but also the vision of what Tular can become. So they're seeing the vision through. They're seeing exactly what they want. This is incredible. MIT Innovation Initiative is an integral part of this STTR as we perform feasibility studies to include computer modeling and gaining a consistent consensus with the Air Force for additional prototyping and fundamental research. The knowledge gained may provide additional insight with other aeronautical robotics programs with the DoD. MIT, which again is extremely significant, Innovation Initiative Executive Director Gene Kesselman added, "We look forward to our relationship with Target Arm in their efforts to solve a very difficult aeronautical problem, repeatedly and reliably launching and recovering drones from another airplane. This is an exciting project that we are proud to have as part of our dual-use ventures incubator." And you guys thought I was done with the military contracts. Oh, it only gets better. This was actually conducted on March 15th, and this is yet again another Air Force contract provided to Target Arm. I think that this is absolutely epic information. Again, so Target Arm announces Air Force contract adding fixed-wing drone capability to Tular. Like I said, this was conducted on March 15th, and it says Target Arm Inc. announced today the United States Air Force awarded a Phase 2 Small Business Innovation Research titled Fixed-Wing UAS Standoff Extended Range Capability from Any Moving Vehicle. This R&D project will greatly expand the capability of Tular, our unmanned aerial system drone platform that enables autonomous launch and recovery from any moving vehicle, plane, train, or ship for both military and commercial operations. Target Arm CEO and co-founder Jeffrey McChesney added, specifically, we will further develop Tular's capabilities to now include fixed-wing drones. With Tular's very high cycle rates, an operator will be able to autonomously and easily launch and recover both rotary and fixed-wing drones at any time. I think that's massive. You're talking two different styles of drones now being able to be landed with Tular. Absolutely, absolutely incredible. Our goal is to simplify the drone operator's effort to a one-button launch or recovery. Man, that is tremendous to hear. All while on the move. It only got better. Not only does the SBIR expand our fixed-wing drone capability with ground vehicles, but it also is necessary precursor to our other Air Force R&D contract to put Tular on the Arsenal aircraft. So that is, again, another significant piece, which was just what we read from March 1st. So here is the two contracts with the Air Force, and here are the two explanations on exactly what is going on. Guys, I think, again, this is extremely, extremely important detail. This is very, very impactful information, especially when it comes to the drone sector. You know, a lot of the things that we cover on this channel are drone related, are very drone topics. And, you know, obviously we cover companies that are in agriculture. They're in, you know, all kinds of package delivery. The list goes on and on. This is a significant piece because you are talking not only package delivery, but now you're talking about military contracts, specifically with the Air Force, working with MIT. I mean, this is a huge, huge piece in the drone sector. So I honestly was pumped, if you can't tell, to provide this content to you on this company. Hopefully you enjoyed this video on Target Arm, and I can assure you, ladies and gentlemen, this will not be the last video of this company. This company is starting to make some amazing strides. They're really doing some very, very impactful things in the drone sector, and that's something that I enjoy covering on this channel, so it will continue for sure. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.